District Disaster Management Authority DDMA Ribhoi District Nongpo Mentakasing Kalasdang Manaji Kai Sia Kakenhun Ba second batch Jangka program ikai pa news ngilintan na kabenta ki samla po ka Yuva Apna Mitra Scheme YAMS. Kani ka jing ikai kan stang nadu menta ka bat kut hadu ka khat kandai trek dai wing bala wan ru ban shimenta ki samla ki balong ru ki dikhot jangka National Service Scheme bat ki te ki samla ki nyo ru ka jing ikai ni ki priu ki bala pentabet eledi kom no ban pen kre akapor badan ka jinglen shop mariang. Ya kani ka program la wan ban play de ka kong Birani ADC ka Ribhoi kom ka kong san ha ka jingdan lang uba BK Swear Deputy Controller of Civil Defence ba J Mautho DDMO kom Nodal Officer YAMS ringkat ka kenhun jaka NSS. Habakran ha kani ka sngi na kalyang ka kong Birani ka laong ba kini ki samla ki bansayo ka jingikai ken salong kom kinong yara paningkong ha ka por badan ka nu ka jinglen shamar yang namar ban hikai ki samla ki badang pulie bat ki badang biang ka bor perkhat bat ka met ka phan kan yarap shibon ya ka emlang ka salang ka por ba dan kinu ki jingja namar kom ka jela ka hab banlong ka ba pen kre lupa
and all the volunteers or the students who have come forward to be trained in the second batch of this Apna Mitra volunteer training, and all the teachers accompanying you, friends from the media, is indeed another auspicious day for us as a district, where we are gathered here today to train another batch, the second batch of the Apna Mitra volunteer. So it gives me great pleasure indeed to be here with all of you this morning for the inauguration of this second batch training of this Apna Mitra volunteers under the Yuva Apna Mitra scheme in Ribhoi district. Let me begin by congratulating the National Disaster Management Authority and all those involved in bringing the important initiative in our district. The Yuva Apna Mitra scheme represents a visionary effort by the Government of India and NDMA to train and empower our youth as community first responders during disasters and emergencies. So we all know that India is a country highly vulnerable to a range of disasters, floods, landslides, earthquakes, cyclones and even fire incidents. While the government agencies and the emergency services play a crucial role, it is often the local community, the first people to respond to such emergencies and who are playing the greatest role, the far greatest role, and who make the greatest difference in saving lives during such emergencies and in also in reducing the damage. So this is where programs like the Yuva Apna Mitra, that means Friends During Disasters, become truly valuable. By equipping young volunteers with the right knowledge, practical skills and a spirit of service, we are building a stronger, more resilient society. Each of you, as trained volunteers, will become a symbol of hope, courage and responsibility in your community. So dear volunteers who are present here today, I urge you to take this training very seriously, learn every skill. I think you've heard Basware highlighting a bit of what you can expect from the training a while back. And we look forward to your enthusiastic response, and also you have to learn every skill, participate wholeheartedly in every activity and share your knowledge with others. Remember, disaster management is not only about response, it is also about preparedness, awareness and prevention. A single act of preparedness can save countless lives. That is why we take this training very seriously as the district authority.